In this clip, we're going to talk about ironing delicate synthetic fabrics. First thing to remember is always turn your fabric inside out. This will protect the fabric from burns and make it easier to iron. The second step is to get it nicely flat on your ironing board and get your ironing cloth. You never want to iron the fabric directly. You always want to have an ironing cloth. Starting at the top, you're going to use small circular motions. Go all the way down the length of the towel or fabric that you're using, and then just move it to the bottom. Starting at the top once again, small circular motions, keeping your iron in motion at all times so as not to burn your fabric. All the way to the bottom. Start at the top and come to the bottom. When you're ready to move, you want to hold from both sections and pull it around, making sure that it's flat as you lay it down. Once again, you're going to take your cloth, starting at the top, small motions, keeping your iron in motion. And do this, repeat this pattern all the way around, top to bottom, all the way. Gently pull your piece of fabric off, and now you have a nicely ironed synthetic skirt.